Welcome back, Bladers. There's nothing like that new car smell, fresh leather seats, an undented bumper, and shiny wheels. Buying a brand new car may be a good emotional investment, but is it a good financial investment? In today's episode, we will discuss the difference between buying brand new or a second-hand car. Which one is the better investment? Welcome to Our Daily Drive, everyday tips for everyday drivers. We all need a reliable form of transportation to get you to work, the grocery store, and back home. Cars are an essential part of everyday life. When it comes to buying brand new or second-hand, here are some points to consider. A new car is a depreciating asset. As soon as you drive a new car off the lot, it begins to lose its worth. It should come as no surprise that cars are an awful investment, as they lose more than 20% of their value in the first year. If you're looking for a way to make money, buying a new car is not the answer. Some new cars can lose as much as 40% of their value during the first year alone. That's assuming you keep the car in pristine condition and avoid running over any curbs or making dents. Keep in mind these numbers are only averages, and the depreciation value for new vehicles can vary. While it can be exhilarating walking off the lot the owner of a brand new car, you have to ask yourself if the loss in money is worth that momentary happiness. You're paying more. Buying a new car can be one of the costliest purchases you will make in a lifetime. Besides buying a house, a new car is the most expensive item you can buy, although salesmen and clever marketing will have you think otherwise. While it may not seem like you're paying more for a new car upfront, most people put down as little money as they can and finance the rest. Accumulating interest rates on top of your loan add up fast. What may appear as a great deal at first could haunt you later down the road. The car isn't really yours. While nothing beats the feeling of becoming the owner of a new car, the reality is that unless you pay for the car in cash, it's not really yours. You still owe somebody for that car, and will probably owe somebody for several years. It may seem like a good idea to invest a lot of money in something as long as you get to call it your own and do with it as you please. In reality, the bank or dealership you bought the car from can easily take it away from you without your consent if you miss your loan payments. Used cars are just as reliable and may be a better investment. Considering the rapid depreciation of new cars within the first few years of owning them, it makes more sense overall to invest your money in a slightly older version of the same car. Even a car that is 1 year older than the current model can be so much cheaper. Most people are afraid of buying a used cars because they think it won't last as long, or they'll just have to put more money into maintenance and repairs. The truth is that cars built in the last 10 years are more efficient and reliable than ever thanks to modern technology. Knowing the value of your current used car is an important factor when considering investing in a vehicle, whether it's new or new to you. Used cars may provide you with a better financial option and value for your money, even if they don't have that new car smell. Do you agree? Comment down below and let us know. We publish a new episode of Our Daily Drive every day. If you like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on any of our new releases. For more car care and maintenance tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade. It's better.